Okay, so I've just collected the keys to Minden Grove. The vendor has moved all the furniture outside and then left it there. I'm not sure what the plan is, but we'll need to contact the agent and ask them, you know, what they plan to do with that, because that's not cheap to remove because it's quite bulky. Outside, it's straightforward. This just needs jet washing down. I think it should be relatively straightforward. It's new double glazing, so that's fine. We do have to make a decision on here. I think on the other property, we've actually completely removed this. It is nice to have, but at the same time, it does cut up the space quite a bit, and it looks quite dated. This wallpaper, unfortunately, just needs to come off. All the wallpaper needs to come off. It's got trunking here. So the first thing to do is we need to get an electrician out and ask them if we need to do a full rewire or not. If not, then we'll do an electrical installation report. But I'm pretty sure this needs a rewire. If it does, then they'll need to start on that because it does, you know, damage the walls. Kitchen. So basically take this out and then put a new kitchen unit throughout. This is going to have to be laminate. So basically downstairs, all laminate. I've actually got some new ones at when you were trying out Vicarage Road. I've just been there today. It looks fantastic. So hopefully we'll do that. That just needs painting, touching up. This can be removed, but the banister should stay just for safety. But this then opens up into there, so it's a nice dining kitchen area. All this should be new. That's the new fuse board. All that should be new. Windows are new, so that's good. All that, this can be taken off. Okay, so basically wallpaper stripped off, re-plastered where necessary, but essentially repainted. Carpeting can go off. Again, wallpaper all needs to come off. I think, unfortunately, the vendor has looked after these curtains, but they're too dated, so they need to go as well. So this is the hot air system. So we have to make a decision on safe. Okay, so fully stripped, clean and burn. Okay, so it looks like it's been serviced. We do have to make a decision on whether to remove that fully and then install a central heating system, so radiators and a new boiler, and have a gas central heating system, or leave that and leave the tank upstairs just as it is. The decision is it's going to be costly to do it now, but it has been priced in already. If we don't do it now and we decide to do it in the future, then it's going to be a lot of disruption, because obviously we have to dig into the walls to do the piping and everything. So, you know, do you want to do it now when we're doing a full refurb, or do you want to do it or just, you know, use it for now and then do it in the future? Potentially, you know, a few tenancies down where it needs a spruce freshen up anyway. Garden, you would just send Ken out to trim that back and then clean that, and that should be relatively straightforward. That's fine. There's no signs of leaks. We had a look. Door's fine. Nice side. Ooh, this is quite handy. That's a nice side passage. It's quite a lot of space there. Extra piece of land. Okay, let's go upstairs. Yeah, I mean, there's some light bulbs, but pretty pointless space, really. Okay, so these have to come off because they're a bit dated, and unfortunately, that's going to damage the stairs. So, but yeah, that can be sanded down and painted. Bedrooms, straightforward. Take off all the wallpaper and repaint. We need to take that off. Potentially asbestos, but it should be okay. I don't think it's asbestos. Oh, I'll have to check. That's single glazing, but I think we should be okay on that one. Actually, we need to check the EPC on this because we need to get up to a C. So actually, in fact, we might not have a decision. I might not have a choice with regards to the boiler system. if the EPC requires it. In here, just tidy up, recarpet. The wallpaper seems alright. So yeah, potentially repaint the walls instead of stripping them off, because this will take half the wall with it. This type of wallpaper. Okay, so maybe we'll have to get Raj out to do an EPC and see what he'll recommend, because Labour is introducing or reintroducing the EPC requirement, a minimum requirement of C, so it might be better to do it now. Okay. Wallpaper getting stripped off, repainted. Bathroom. So basically we need to remove that and replace it with a new bathtub with an overhead shower and a shower screen, and then move that over there, and hopefully there's space, we can leave that there. And then tile all that side, but this side should be fine. Or alternatively move that there, because I think that's where we've moved it in the other one. So one thing about this is that we might need to put an extractor fan in here, but I'm not sure how, because it can create a bit of damp, a bit of damp and mold. That's it really. That needs to be repainted. Okay. Yeah, I think that should be straightforward. So first things first is get EPC in, get to see what he'd advise us to do to get it to a C, get an electrician in to see if it would pass an EIC, but I don't think it would. It almost certainly would need a rewire, judging from those, and then get them to start on that, and then we'll get a general builder in to have to start the works. All right, see you.